Hey guys, well, after 30 something years, my 1/3 sheet Craftsman sander gave up the ghost just a couple hours ago. I'm sanding, and all of a sudden I said, felt like it just broke and came apart. And I'm guessing that these are missing a piece that's inside here, which is all part of the rubber. I guess it's a piece of rubber or something. 30 years old, time for a new one. So, interesting. So, went down to the Home Depot here in town and replaced it with this Dewalt quarter sheet. They don't, I mean, I can get a 1/3 sheet, but they don't have them in stock. So you kind of like either get the quarter sheet or the 5-inch round oscillating unit. So one of the things, I was talking to my neighbor. He happened to be in the store at the same time, and he's a contractor. He just said that having the ability to hook up a vacuum cleaner to the units is a good thing too. So I went based on amperage, weight, and the ability to be able to hook up a vacuum cleaner to it. So we're going to take it apart and take a look at it. The amount of wattage that this draws, which is 2.3 amps, for units of this about the same size, that seemed to be one of the highest ones. There was one more, a little bit higher, but a little bit more money. And the other thing I like about it as compared to an oscillating unit is I could just buy regular sandpaper, sheets of sandpaper, since I don't use this that much, the ability to have just regular sandpaper and use on it, I think would be better than always having to have a package of round ones for the oscillating one. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it works, and we're going to open up the box, see what's inside, and then we'll start doing some. Here we are. We're going to open up the box. This is the model number DWE6411K. It has a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year free service, and 90-day money-back guarantee, according to this box here. Appears that this one was made in November 21st. Not really sure what the 49 is. Of 2018, I guess. I don't know. Includes the sander, a dust bug, which I believe is that, a paper punch, and kit bag. Oh, that's right. This has got a bag with it too. So let's see. Let's cut this open here. Alrighty. Here we go. This looks like the bag right here. Well, let me pull this out. This seems like it'll be easier. This is the punch. The paper punched. I believe that's so you can put holes in the paper so it'll vacuum the dust out. Oh, cute little bag. From the pictures you see at the store, it looks bigger, but it's big enough. You could fit a good sized sander in it. All right. We've got the instructions here. Yeah, instruction manual. It's a unfoldy type setup. So we start with one little small piece of paper, and it's like a big giant newsprint. So that's fun. It's already fun. I imagine there's different languages here. Where it stops, I don't know. Alright, so we got to go all the way over here. And right here we start with a different language. So this is the instructions. Yeah, right. I mean, who needs to read instructions for this though, right? And then we have the filter that just pushes on. And in the box, out of the way. The sander's wrapped in plastic. Oh, that spacer just comes out. That's cool. Sander. And like I said, I believe we should be able to hook up a vacuum cleaner in the end here. So we'll find out. So I'm looking forward to using this. All right.